Oh my, I don't know a woman in the world that doesn't like a big fat wand. Hey there and welcome to Real Chicks TV. I'm your Real Chick Carla and this is your home for all things beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, lifestyle, and all those girly things for the woman over 40. If that's you, go ahead and hit that subscription button and hit the little notification bell next to it so that you'll never miss one of my upcoming videos. Today we are talking lashes. Bold, long, thick, fuller lashes, and that is something I do not have. I have the wimpiest, skimpiest lashes of anybody that I know, and the wimpiest, skimpiest, most pitiful little lashes. We should pray for them. Take a moment of silence for my pitiful little lashes because they are just so sad. So I've got a few tips, tricks, and hacks for you today to make those lashes look fuller, and there's a new mascara treatment release that I'm excited to tell you about, and that's going to help as well. The first thing you're going to want to do is start out with a really good lash primer, and the best one that I have found on the market, I've tried both high-end and drugstore, best one I have found comes from the drugstore. It's $5 from Essence, and this is their volumizing primer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put on a nice coat of that volumizing primer. Start at the base of your lashes and pull it on up to the ends. Start at the roots and just get it nice and coated. It's white so you'll be able to see it. You can do several coats if you need to. Now I only do lash primer on my top lashes, but if you choose to do them on your bottom lashes, that is certainly your choice. Do as many coats as you feel you need. And this is really going to help thicken your lashes up once you put that mascara on. Now, while your lash primer is still wet, this is your next trick. You're going to go in with your mascara. My mascara of choice today is Beyond Mascara from City Beauty. This is a brand new release, just came out this week, and this is indeed Beyond Mascara because it's actually a lash treatment in addition to a color mascara. It's got incredible pigment. It makes your lashes look fuller, longer, and thicker, but it's also got amazing ingredients in it that work as a treatment to soften your lashes, to help them look fuller and thicker over time as well. So it's like you're getting a 2-for-1. You're getting a treatment as well as a mascara. So as soon as I finish applying that primer, I'm going in with this mascara. Take a look at this wand. It's got an amazing hourglass wand, so it can get all of your lashes in there. And it goes on like a dream. So I'm going to start at the base of my lashes, and now I'm going to zigzag and wiggle up all the way to the tip of my lashes. You can already see a huge difference between this eye and this eye. And by the way, on all City Beauty products, including this brand new release, Beyond Mascara, I have a 10% discount code for you. It's down in the description box below. And that is not just on the Beyond Mascara, that is on all City Beauty products. So it's site-wide for you. I'll have the link for you down below. I love the hourglass shape of the wand. I love the incredible pigment. I love the ingredients in this. What's incredible about this mascara is not only does it have an amazing black pigment that gives you visible length, thickness, and fullness, so it gives you an instant impact. It's a solution for thin, sparse lashes like mine, fair, hard to see lashes like mine, short, brittle lashes like mine, and it also helps with eyelash fallout. It helps create the look of longer, thicker, fuller lashes. It resists flaking for long-lasting wear. It adds definition. And because it's a conditioning treatment, it supports and conditions your lashes to help them appear thicker over time. And when this wand comes out of the tube, there are no clumps on the wand. That is very impressive to me. Nothing worse than a clumpy, gunky mascara straight out of the wand. I've been testing this for several days. There's also no fallout. It doesn't flake. It doesn't smudge. It doesn't smear. It's an incredible mascara. Now after I've done my zigzag motion from the base to the tip of the lashes, because my lashes are so short, so just going in, and after I've done that zigzag motion, then I kind of blink into it, and that's just because my lashes are so incredibly short. That really helps me get the tips. The pigment on this is amazing. City Beauty was kind enough to send this to me to try. And I always ask myself, after I've tried something that a company sends me for free, would I buy it? That's always the big Carla test. Now that I've tried it for free, would I buy it? And I can definitely tell you it gets the Real Chicks TV Carla thumbs up of approval. I definitely would buy this, and I will be buying this. Now this next step you may or may not be familiar with, and this truly is my favorite hack in this entire video. You're going to take some powder. You can either use loose powder or you can use pressed powder. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how expensive it is. Doesn't matter how cheap it is. You can use anything from Wet n Wild to Laura Mercier. Doesn't matter. I tend to basically use a less expensive powder because it's just for my eyelashes. Now taking a brush, you're going to go in and coat your lashes all over. Get that powder all over those lashes. You want to coat the top and the bottom of your lashes. This creates the effect that you often see from those fiber mascaras without getting all those stringy little irritating fibers in your eyeballs. And if a fluffy brush is not doing the trick for you, you can use a shader brush and just push it into your lashes, both top and bottom. And by bottom, I mean by top, I mean this upper portion of your lashes right at your lash line. I don't mean the lower lashes down here. Alright, we have those nice and white again, just like we did with our lash primer. We're going back in with our Beyond Mascara from City Beauty. And now we're really going to see what this does. Doing my zigzaggy motion, pulling it up. And you may feel a little bit of resistance. That is because that powder is helping those lashes really grab on to that mascara. So you're coating your lashes with your mascara like you would normally do. Now we're going to go in here and coat on the top where we placed that powder. Now because that can make your lashes flat and straight, we're going to go back in one more time and curl them up, pushing straight up, straight up. The key ingredients that make this so impressive are B volume, panthenol, biotin, hyaluronic acid, yes, hyaluronic acid in your mascara, and keratin. Now another trick that a lot of people do to make their lash line look fuller is tight line, and that's taking either a brown or a black eye pencil and putting it right along the lash line in this waterline area up at the very top. I tend not to do that, but that is certainly something that you can do to give you a fuller, thicker look. Now this is just a couple of coats. You can see the difference between this eye with the hacks and the City Beauty Beyond Mascara and this eye which has absolutely nothing on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some on my bottom lashes to complete the look. Because the wand is an hourglass shape, it really works really well on those bottom lashes because you can use the thinner part or the thicker part to get where you want to be. Do I have mascara in my hair? Of course I have mascara in my hair because this is called Real Chicks TV, not Perfect Chicks TV. What are you gonna do? Welcome to Real Chicks TV, my friend. Now I have very hooded eyes, and you're gonna see how this has just opened up and widened my small hooded eyes. And that's it. What do you think? Can you tell the difference? And those are my tips, tricks, and hacks for longer, thicker, fuller lashes, especially if you have thin, sparse, short lashes. And I've had them all my life, but a lot of people find that as they get older, that becomes more of a problem for them, particularly lash fallout. I'm really impressed with this Beyond Mascara from City Beauty. Using this along with their lash growth serum, I'm seeing some real differences. And again, I've got a 10% discount code for you down in the description box below. All you have to do is just click see more. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a great big old thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss one of my upcoming videos. I've got lots of good things in store for you, and I hope that you'll stick around because it really does make my day so much more special when you keep me company. I'm Carla. This is Real Chicks TV. Until next time, keep your head, heels, and standards high. Much love to you. Bye-bye.